The reason I'm in business is because I love helping people, and I love people seeing them achieve their dreams and their outcomes. So a lot of times I just help people in a way that I'm intuitively guided by, and that excites me and keeps me going. My background has been I work in my family business, or I've worked in my family business. My grandmother started a tax business in 1942, and since I was a little kid, I learned how to do taxes and accounting with my parents, and I went to work for them. And eventually, I did get a degree in accounting and business. I have a business degree, and I also went down the route of a financial advisor, so I have my financial advisor license. And I used that to integrate everything that people need to have a financial solution. And eventually I left my parents' business and I went off on my own. So I've been doing my business, which I don't really call a business, it's a lifestyle. So I work and I play, and it's up for everyone else to decide which I'm doing. So my lifestyle has been working 3 months a year and then learning, playing, mastering different things, exploring different options. So I've been doing that for the past 30 years, and it's been an incredible journey of living a lifestyle and exploring. I've been doing a lot of different businesses over the 30 years that I've been working and playing. Since I have 9 months off a year, I get the opportunity to explore a lot of different professions, and some of them have been in the business profession and some of them haven't been. So some of the things that I've done, I worked for a mortgage company, which was a great opportunity to learn about real estate, housing, mortgages, which a lot of people need to do their businesses and their personal life, so that's been great. And I became a financial advisor, and I've been doing that since 1997. And that's also a great planning strategy for people on their journey in their life to plan for their future. And the other things that I've been doing for the last 30 years is exploring things that give me meaning. So I go after things that I'm interested in. So I became a dive master, a dive instructor, scuba dive instructor, and I spent many years studying and becoming certified as a scuba dive instructor. And I also was an artist, and I had art shows and traveled the world as a found objects artist, painter, and did a lot of different jobs along the way since I have so much time. So this has been a learning journey that I've been on, of lots of different careers or lots of different professions that I've been doing, and it's always been integrated with what I do as my background. As an accountant, I am somewhat self-employed, but I have created a S corporation for myself, and that type of entity is really great for a lot of small business owners. S corporation is a flow-through entity so that you can take advantage of a lot of business deductions, a lot of deductions the government gives you for employee benefits, so you can be an employee of your company and take advantage of those things, as opposed to being a entrepreneur, self-employed, sole proprietor. As far as taxes go, it's not a very good beneficial your tax bracket. You have to pay a lot more taxes than if you incorporate. So the structure that I've chosen for myself as an accountant has been a S corporation, and that is a great option for a lot of people to explore if they're sole proprietors, entrepreneurs. I market myself by going online and using YouTube videos, social media, Yelp, referral systems. A lot of my clients love and adore me, and they can't wait to refer me, so that's how I mainly get my clients. The reason why I love technology for my business is because it allows me to travel the world and be me, live my lifestyle, do me, which is what I wish for everyone. And it allows me to stay connected. So there's so many ways that I can connect to people I can be anywhere. I can be on the beach in Hawaii, I can be in Southeast Asia, and I always have a telephone. There's always an internet connection where you can Skype or Zoom meetings, and technology has been an amazing breakthrough to allow freedom of presence. So it gives me the ability to be anywhere for anyone, and I love it. I love to get other people's advice for my business. I really enjoy different people's perspectives and insights. I studied with Tony Robbins, his business mastery. He's a marketing genius, and he's great to model your marketing presentation and how you operate your business, what you do every day. I also met a guy through Tony Robbins, Keith Cunningham, who is the rich dad from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that Robert Kiyosaki wrote the book about. And he's amazing cowboy entrepreneur, and I learned so much from him, which got me to go virtual and change the whole structure of my business, and he's amazing. And a lot of people I love to get advice from are my friends. They're so smart in what they do, and I trust them when they're an expert at what they do, and just to get their insight. And my parents, I love to talk to them too. They always have different level of insight, and I just enjoy asking people what they think, and they're awesome. One of the biggest concerns in my profession, ethical concerns in my profession, have to do with people's personal financial data, their personal information, social security numbers, bank account numbers, where they have their money. I know a lot of things about people that a lot of spouses don't know about their mates. So there's an issue that people could use that information in lascivious ways. So that's probably the biggest concern that people would have in this, dealing with someone in this profession. The best way that I have to overcome these ethical issues is really just being honest, truthful, trustworthy, and being forthright with people. I have been in the business of dealing with people's personal information for over 30 years and have built up that trust where I can be really intimate with people and getting their information and helping them. Because a lot of times, if you don't give information, it's hard to help. It's hard to help people achieve their dreams. So I just go with as I am and trustworthy. That's the key. The best marketing channels that I prefer are online social media, YouTube videos, and Instagram, Facebook. Also, I'm really enjoying radio now. It's a great opportunity to reach a lot of listeners. So I'm using a lot of different methods, and more will come. The products and services that I offer are basically me, whatever you need. And it is, I help you as a financial guru, as a financial shaman, as a financial Sherpa, to take you from where you are to where you dream you want to be and have the lifestyle that you want to be. So whatever that means, if it's a shoulder to cry on, if it's, financial steps 1, 2, 3, it's whatever. So I kind of do it all. I attribute my success to the beautiful people that I surround myself with, the opportunities that I find myself in, and just what I've given myself as far as educating myself, putting myself in a great environment, and always looking out and taking care of where I am. So I just go with the flow and find that I'm always where I need to be. So that's how I feel I'm successful. My location that I work in is really special. I used to be in one location for many, many years, and I felt very stagnant for me because I'm an explorer, I'm a traveler. So I love to travel around the world and explore. I find that because of the advent of technology and the internet and having internet everywhere I go, I don't need to be in one place. So I am a virtual business. I love exploring the world, and I can do my business everywhere. So the location that I'm in is usually something that I'm interested in. I want to learn something. I want to be in a certain environment, and that just makes me more enthusiastic about the work that I'm doing. What makes me unique in my business is me and how I show up for people. Because of what I've learned in my experiences, you get this amazing journey that a lot of people don't get to experience. So what makes me unique is what I bring to the table, and me. What I'm really enjoying about this interview process is allowing me to explore some questions that I haven't really asked myself, and getting the opportunity to be in front of a camera, which that's a great experience, and I think that's an opportunity I want to explore further. So it's been a great experience.